What do you do once your hair starts to fall out? You panic, you're depressed, you get impatient, use every solution you hear about and end up having even more hair loss. But if it is not because of a scalp disease, hair loss can be treated, which means that anyone can get their lost hair back with a little effort, time, and investment. Home remedies. Onion juice. You can take 1 to 2 onions, chop them into small pieces and blend them in a blender. Once you have a paste, you can strain it and get raw onion juice out of it. Apply it twice a week and hair fall might stop gradually. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural herb used to cure many diseases and problems of the skin, hair, and body. Take some aloe vera gel and apply directly to the scalp. Massage in circular motions and wash off after some time. Hair fall reduces with aloe vera. Olive oil massage. Massage is always beneficial for the scalp and hair. Even if you think that rubbing your scalp could lead to more hair loss, you are wrong. As slowly massaging your scalp with olive oil twice a week is beneficial to treat hair loss. Healthy diet and supplements. Hair thrives on iron, zinc, proteins, and vitamin B12, which means it is best to increase these in diet to get rid of hair loss. Iron can be found in leafy green vegetables such as spinach, which is very good for hair growth and repair. Proteins are high in beans, meat, and all dairy products such as cheese, yogurt and cream. Zinc is found in wheat gram and chickpeas as well as beans. Moreover, it is also thought that taking hair supplements has also led to a reduction in hair loss and increase in hair regrowth. Hair transplant. If hair has stopped growing and there are visible bald patches on the scalp, then among the latest treatments is a hair transplant procedure. You can get a hair transplant or hair treatment in Pakistan and get rid of hair loss if all other solutions do not seem to be working. Hair transplantation is a procedure in which a certain amount of hairs is extracted from the donor area, the back of the head, and then transplanted to the bald areas of the scalp. Since this is a natural process, the transplanted hairs start to grow out normally after some given time and can be treated, colored, cut, or trimmed any way desired. Throughout the world, hair transplantation has been proved to be the best solution to hair loss in not only men but also women. There are 2 main types of hair transplantation procedures which can be opted according to the patient's need, hair condition and desire by the surgeons. Follicular unit transplant (FUT). This is the oldest and most traditional hair transplant procedure practiced all over the world for years. In this procedure, a linear strip of superficial hair and skin is extracted from the back of the head. This is then dissected and divided into small follicle units. After small incisions are made into the bald areas, these extracted hair follicles are then inserted into the incisions for further growth. The donor area is then closed up with the help of sutures or stitches. Hair growth occurs after 3 to 4 months and the final results are visible after a time period of 9 months to 1 year. Follicular unit extraction (FUE). The FUE is the latest innovation in the world of hair transplant. It is a non-invasive procedure in which there is a guarantee of hair regrowth on the donor area. What happens is that part of the donor area is shaved and with the help of a small punch tool, small hair follicles are extracted from the scalp carefully one by one. As these follicles are already divided individually, it takes less time and effort to implant them into the bald area. After incisions are made into the bald areas, these extracted hair follicles are then inserted in them and left to recover. This is a less painful and scar-free method of hair transplant which assures maximum hair regrowth and regeneration through a non-invasive method. This method is being opted by patients and surgeons all over the world and has proved out to be very effective for hair loss. Therefore, the best and reliable treatment for hair loss and baldness is hair transplantation if all the other home remedies and medicines fail to work on cases of excessive hair loss. Take the step to get rid of the hair loss you have suffered.